Hey, Leo Drager here. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. And in this video, I want to talk about a really cool tool to change your MAC address. It works really well on Windows. Specifically, let's look at the SMAC tool. Okay, so I'm going to go into my pen testing box, and I'm going to basically look up SMAC. Now, SMAC is actually a tool by KLC, and it's version specific. I particularly like version 1.1, specifically because you can basically choose the address that you want. So I'm going to show you basically how to use this all together. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's see this. Clear the screen. Let's do ipconfig all, okay, and you can see that I'm running on 192.168.92.129. And what I'm going to do is go over here to my network properties, go to my local area network. Actually, before I do that, let's back up a second. Please note that the MAC address is, it ends in 44BB Delta Delta, Bravo Bravo Delta Delta. Okay, so if I just try to run this tool, I'm going to run you into an error here. If I just try to run this tool and change, BB to CC and then update the MAC address, it'll actually say that it's done here. But if I go interrogate the network adapter card again, you can see that it was BB before and it's still BB again. So it didn't exactly take. And the reason why is because of a DLL, or dare I say protocol that called NDIS, or Network Device Integration Specification, I think is what it's actually called. Off the top of my head, it's just NDIS. And so what that tool or DLL does is it actually binds your MAC address to the network adapter card. So in order to get this to work properly, you have to actually disable your interface. Okay, then update your MAC, then enable your interface again. And now if you run this, you can actually see that it took to CC. Now that's not too bad of a way to do it. Okay. Other things that we could do here, just to kind of be a little thorough, if I wanted to look at the device manager, I actually could go down to my network adapter card here and look at the properties. And sometimes you have advanced features in here that you can change as well. So you can see the network address is, 44CCD. Okay, so let's try this again in just a slightly different way. Let's go ahead and disable this. Go back to our adapter, and let's call this DD. Update it. Okay, that'll refresh. Then enable your MAC address again, and then actually rerun it again, and you can see that it actually changed it there. So I can natively do this in Windows, depending on the network adapter card and the drivers. Most of them I would say you're probably not going to have a problem with. Or you can use an add-on utility like this, okay? And of course you can refresh it and see that it actually changes. All right, so that's basically how to run the SMAC tool. This is what you would do if you want to spoof somebody's MAC address or attempt to poison a switch or advertise to somebody else without really realistically using the ARP protocol. So that's SMAC. So I showed you SMAC, and then also how to actually do it with inside Windows in the advanced network adapter card properties as well. Thanks for watching. My name's Leo Drager, and don't forget to check us out on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter.